hasn't been all that long since I've done a room makeover style video, but my room has been in this layout for at least half a year, and it's summer, so like, why not? If you've seen my vlogs before, I've mentioned how I'm the type of person who really needs to change up her environment frequently to feel inspired and motivated. And with a new season coming, I feel like my room could be more suited to summer. So I am going to keep that in mind and rearrange some things today. The main thing I want to do is move my bed, which is the largest furniture item I have in my room. So I think when I find a new spot for it, everything else will have to shift accordingly and just give me a whole new layout to work with. I want a drastic enough change in my room so I feel more inspired again, like it's a new space. Because I spend so much of my time in this room, I don't want to get tired of it. And just by rearranging stuff and finding new places for it is an easy way of giving yourself a room makeover, so to say, without having to buy new things or do any intensive reconstruction or renovation. So today is a room day. I am by no means a professional at using a sewing machine. I don't know if I like having something that's right at the foot of my bed because I feel like it would make me feel almost trapped or cluttered in at least. I really want to change out some of the clothes I have displayed on my clothing rack because although I like the color that it brings to my room, I have a lot of sweaters and warmer clothing and it's not really the summer vibe, you know? We want cute dresses and light tops and stuff. This new layout is very exciting. It's bringing a lot more light into my room, or maybe that's just placebo and I'll get over it in a week and decide to rearrange my furniture again, but I'll deal with that when the time comes. As of now, I am very, very satisfied. And my whole closet situation, it might be annoying to deal with, but that's a me issue. I'm making that sacrifice. If it gets to be too much, I'll figure it out. For now, I hope you enjoy the beginnings of summer. I hope you are taking care of yourself and doing well. Take care, friend.